it's a nice show. I haven't seen it though all these years, but it's been going on for the past 3 years, and the characters are superb because they're so funny. Like yesterday, we were doing a scene, basically the climax, and so that was the first time that I met everybody. So it was really funny for me because I had never seen them do whatever they do in the show. And अचानक से they started doing all that and मुझे इतनी हंसी आ रही थी, like literally in the scenes also मुझे हंसी आ रही थी. But yeah, it's good fun to be a part of a show which is like a comedy, because I very rarely do comedies. I think after Akbar Birbal, this is like an episode that I'm doing. So it's good fun, and yeah, the character is of this vice principal of this college, of the school, जो एकदम like an English school है, and very hi-fi and classy and all of that. And so my name is also Sheila Kejwani. So every time I say my name, I say my name is Sheila Kejwani. So when I say it, it sounds like Sheila Ki Jawani. So everybody, the first time I say Sheila, so they all start singing after that, Sheila Ki Jawani, and I'm like, oh no, it's Sheila Kejwani. So they've tried and put all these elements in the show, जिससे obviously लोगों को हंसी आए, and it'll be interesting. So, and I have this particular way of talking when I'm off camera. So I guess I've kind of used that in the show, and it's like very hoity-toity, and I'm always talking like that in this show. So I've kind of used that because it's a comedy show, so you can take that liberty of going all over the place. So yeah, but it's been fun. Today is my third day, last day of shoot. And it was fun to do this role. Of course, देखने को मिलेगा because I think comedy is that only. कि जितना आप, at least for me, because I'm not very used to doing comedy. So जो भी मुझे अगर कोई बोलता है कि कुछ क्या अगर आप ऐसे करोगे तो better होगा, तो I don't even take offense to it. I just blindly listen to that person and I do it. So yeah, I mean, whatever you'll see of me in the show will be completely different to what I've actually done इससे पहले also. Well, मैं viewers को यही बोलना चाहती हूँ that please watch it because it's something very new that I've done, and I would really want your views on it, कि आपको अच्छा लगा या नहीं अच्छा लगा, whether I should do something like this in future or not. So please let me know, and definitely watch चिड़ियाघर का episode जो मैंने किया है. And give me the feedback. That's all I want to know.